total of 12.6 kilometers of Kulekhani-Humane-Bhanjang road section has now been blacktopped. PR Infrastructure Company completed the work before the start of the monsoon, bringing relief to travelers and local residents in the area. The road reconstruction was carried out by PR Infrastructure at a cost of 407.2 million rupees. Although the contract required the project to be completed by the end of Asar, which is mid-July, the company finished the work on time, making travel along this route more convenient. Thousands of small vehicles travel on this road daily. With the road now operational, people from Kathmandu, Makwanpur, Bara, Parsa, Rohtahat, Sarlahi and Chitwan districts are experiencing easier travel. Even pilgrims from India visiting Kathmandu are using this route. The 300-meter stretch of road in the Sisneri section that was washed away during the flood has now been rebuilt at a cost of 10 million rupees. Likewise, 600 meters of the road in the Jamini section has been reconstructed at a cost of 44.5 million rupees.
एकदम छोटो समयमै हामीले जुन चाहिँ नदीबाट जुन डाइभर्सन थियो त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले एउटा ट्र्याकमा ल्याएर अहिले चाहिँ हामी यो तपाई देखिरहनु भएको छ यो सडकमा चाहिँ तपाई चाहिँ गाडी गुडाउने अवस्था चाहिँ हामी छोटो समयमा चाहिँ हामीले गरेका छौं.
Work is also underway to build a permanent concrete bridge over the Mahalakshmi River, which was damaged by the flood. In Simkholi of Kulekhani, construction of a temporary Bailey bridge has begun to restore connectivity. A report by Krishna Adhikari for Kantipur News, Hetauda-Kathmandu.